Come take me from this cage. See, for hours and iron bars have been witness to the rage of 1,000 broken hearts and chains. Like a cripple without his cane, or a king without a crown. Passion the ones consume me as burn ashes on the ground. All that I've been given, I give it to you, I can't stand you watching you fail. Tell the truth, somebody bring me down. Rock around in the heart. I don't want to leave and be ever mercy on it, baby. Oh, help me now. Give a shackle, walk around, and I'm all way down. On the high sand feels my pain. Until I'm numb. Out of the darkness, maybe it's who I do escape from. I give it to you. I can't stand you watching you fail. Tell the truth. Somebody bring me down. Wrap around in the house. Don't want to leave it. We have no mercy on it, bring me down. Oh, yeah, bring me now. Get a shackle, walk around, and I'm on my way down. Listen, bless my heart and bless my soul. You can sing it on now. Someone to call me a doctor, so my temperature rising. Every in that cold money water, ain't got sweet of it. I said somebody, or somebody, will be changed. I've been given, I give it to you. Sing it. Tell the truth. Oh, oh. Stop, here we go. Stop and start. Somebody put me down. Rock around in the heart. I don't want to leave it. Big as a mercy on it, baby. Oh, honey, help me now. Get a shadow, walk around, and I'm on my way down. To the end. And that makes me dangerous. All my own shame. And that makes me dangerous. love. A lot of cocaine, and that makes me dangerous. Nothing to cure my pain. That makes me dangerous. I'm hungry, need without reason. Ready to explode. I'm like a locomotive, steaming out of control. I'll make you a modern boy, step in line. I'm a glutton for punishment. Yeah, it makes me feel it. It makes me feel. It's all inside of me, this deadly sickness. I've got nothing left that makes me dangerous. Keep on pushing me like I've got a weakness. I've got no singing that makes me dangerous. I'm hungry, need without reason, ready to explode. I'm like a freight locomotive, steaming out of control. I make you a martyr, boy, step in line. I'm a glutton for punishment. It makes me feel. 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 Thank you very, very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we are Shaman's Harvest, and we haven't been here in too damn long.